Hey there, Disney fans. If you're loving Disney Plus but feel like you're missing out on some premium perks, upgrading your subscription is a game changer. Today, I'm walking you through the simple steps to level up your streaming experience. Whether you're tired of ads interrupting your favorite Marvel marathon or you want 4K quality for those epic Star Wars scenes, an upgrade can make all the difference. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Disney Plus account on your preferred device, whether that's your phone, tablet, computer, or smart TV. Once you're in, head over to your profile icon, usually in the top right corner, and click on Account or Manage Account. This is your gateway to all the settings. Next, look for the Subscription section. Here, you'll see your current plan details. Disney Plus offers a few options, like the basic ad-supported plan, the ad-free version, or even the premium bundle that might include Hulu and ESPN+. Choose the one that fits your needs. Remember, upgrading often means better video quality, downloads on more devices, and no interruptions. Now, select your desired plan and hit that Upgrade button. You'll be prompted to review the changes, including any price adjustments. Don't worry, it's usually straightforward. If you have a payment method saved, it might auto-apply, or you'll need to enter new details. Double-check everything to avoid surprises on your next bill. After confirming, give it a minute or two for the changes to take effect. You might need to restart the app or refresh the page. And just like that, you're upgraded. Pro tip: if you run into any issues, Disney Plus has great customer support. Check their help center or contact them directly. Upgrading is quick, easy, and totally worth it for unlimited magic. So, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and enhance your Disney Plus adventure today. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below with your favorite Disney show. Thanks for watching, and may the Force be with you.